Oh, oh, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing slow.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naja here, and today we are going to the movies again to see Renaissance. I'm so excited. I hope we're the only ones in. Thank you. I hope we're the only ones in here. You didn't see the one in the other one?
Yeah, I did. Oh. I don't know, we don't got that, but go.
No, I bought them. I bought them online. Oh, maybe I do gotta print the ticket out. I don't know. Or maybe he can, I don't know. Hold on. Thank you. Oh my god. Hell yeah.
I didn't know that still worked. What movie you saw?
13.
That's right here.
This theater is small. Did it start? Oh my god, it just started. Y'all, it just started. We later get it.
Exactly what I mean. I don't know what love means.
I don't know where is it. D 3 and 4. We missed the beginning again, but it just started, so we good. We got no blanket, y'all.
I'm out of my mind. I'm tweaking. Bring the peak in. Down the block, knocking baskets off the wall. Oh, that's how I fall. Cleanse me of my sins. My un-American life. I'm black. Boy, I love that you can't help but be yourself around me. Yourself around me. Sugar. You at all my ladies, if you know that you're the one responsible for your life, for your own damn happiness. Pick to see her, I like to meet her. What you say, say? Can you see her? I like to meet her. What you say? Diva. Hey, I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm a savage, headed too nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account matches. I love you, baby. Just please know I love you deep, 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 deep. God bless you. Until next time.
Hey y'all, so we just left from seeing Renaissance. So this is right. This is gonna be a real quick vlog, to be honest. What mall is this? What's something? Yeah. So yeah, when I get in the car, I'm gonna tell y'all, because I don't know if it's my last time going to see this, but I might have to say it one more time, obviously, because I didn't go to the concert. So, but either way, I'm very much fulfilled. That was like really great. It was a great film. Okay, I'm gonna thank you. Thank you. It's cold. Oh man, it's okay.
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah. Your car.
Huh? Stop. So y'all, I just want to say, like, Beyonce, for me, Beyonce always get a 10 out of 10. Like, just the work that she puts behind her stuff, like the efforts that she put, and she don't take no shit behind it. She's gonna go and get what she wants all the time. It has to be perfected all the time. I just love it. Like, I love it. I think it's a Virgo thing, but I don't think I reached her point yet. But it's a Virgo thing. Now that we've seen this movie 2 times, I'm not embarrassed. But how do you feel? What do you say? What do you give it?
10.
Like, cause you got like you had to give it anything less.
10.
But yes, just seeing Beyonce in her directive form, huh? She's just amazing. The outfits, y'all, I just really wanted to know the budget for the tour, because the outfits, she has so many outfits. They were very detailed. Everybody had to have an outfit. She got the crew outfits, like everything. I feel like she went all out for this tour, and I'm gonna have to wait another 5 years to be able to go to Beyonce's tour. And I hope this is not the last tour. She didn't say this was the farewell tour, and not that I would expect Beyonce to announce it, but whatever. But overall, like I said, I just give this whole experience a 10 out of 10 because I felt like I was at the concert. And yeah, I love Beyonce. Am I like one of the Beehive people? No, I'm not that crazy yet, but just seeing Beyonce in her makings just does it all for me, okay? But overall, I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here. But do y'all like my hair? Like, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all more tomorrow. I'm actually gonna cut it tomorrow, so yeah. So I think, but overall, anyways, oh, that scared me. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I just want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Don't forget to turn your notification bells on when it comes to me. And yeah, just stay tuned for more content. And let me know if y'all seen Renaissance, because we gotta talk about it, even though it ain't nothing to talk about because everybody in the crowd go mute. Yeah, that's what I thought. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Bye, lovelies.